Go.
So guys, today we're gonna be playing with some balls.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, my stepbrother is gonna do more tutorials on how to get hurt. This is part 2. Oh, introduce yourself.
My name is Blake, and I come na. And she monkey, come. She oh shoot, guys! I'm so sorry.
Why do you come in here every time we film a video, Shy? I'm not saying you can't, but like, come over here, Shy. Just don't get in it. You ran into the wall.
Oh.
By the way, guys, do not try this at home because he just got hit with a bike. Did you hear your legs slap?
Something went up my butt cheek. Flat like a bat. Guys, watch this. Okay. So.
Oh my God, no. I hope you guys saw that. That was hilarious.
Stop making fun of me. I can't. It keeps slipping under me. It keeps slipping under me.
I'm in like the kill zone right now.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. Alright, kind of got it. I don't want to break my butt. Oh, that was clapping my cheeks.
You're gonna pop that ball.
Oh, Jesus. Oh.
Careful now.
Okay. We're just kind of.
Because this is
Oh yeah,
different.
that's a nice one. I saw them all.
Oh, yeah, in the closet. When I was hiding in the closet, you're talking about a date.
About
Just kidding.
that
My
yeah.
mom already told me that, I know.
Yeah,
She said you were supposed to go on Wednesday or
it's not
Thursday.
a secret. My life is not a secret, guys.
Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for this video.
Wait, guys.
So,
Me,
It's not even facing me.
Hey, you wanna
okay, bye, guys.